Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm just doing a quick update on my 4Runner here. I'm installing a GMRS radio and some Rotopax, and just wanted to show you real quick how it's mounted. I'm not doing a full step-by-step install, just an update on the build. So here we go. Alright, first thing I did was make this antenna bracket that connects to my ditch light hood mounts. Just had some scrap aluminum, so cut it out, drilled some holes, and then powder coated it. So I think it turned out pretty nice. And I just routed the antenna wire right through this firewall boot here. Okay, there's the boot. There's the antenna wire. Hid the extra wire right there. This is just under my glove box here on the passenger side. And you can't really see it, but I routed it under here, going over to the center console. And then it comes right through here and under here. And then I drilled a hole in the center console and just put a little grommet in there for the antenna wire to go through. And then I have a microphone extension wire coming through as well. So the radio I went with is a Midland model number MXT275. It's one of their micro ones. What's nice is that it comes with a DC adapter just for your cigarette lighter. And in my console here, we have one of those. So that's how I'm going to run the power. Nice and simple. Then the microphone extension cable also runs from the center console box up here, and it takes a left here and comes up and out here. On my 4Runner I have an empty plug here, so I'm going to 3D print a plug holder that will hold the other end of the microphone extension. So that way my microphone will just clip in right here, and I'm thinking about just mounting, I got a magnetic microphone mount, thinking about just putting it here for now. And here are my Rotopax that I've got mounted on my Green Lane off-road aluminum ladder. They do sell a mount for the Rotopax to adapt to their ladder, but I just decided to make my own. I'll go ahead and show you that. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the Rotopax mounts and extension, and then this back bracket here is what I made. It basically just has two metal rungs, I guess, that wrap around the ladder rung to help hold it nice and secure. And then I did bend over the top side, so that way for my kids, they can have a place to step. I'll just remove the Rotopax and they can step right there on that part. I myself, I just step over the Rotopax, but yeah, I think that'll be handy for them. And then after I got it all welded up, I powder coated it. Alright, so I went ahead and 3D printed an insert to hold the extension cable for the microphone, and I went ahead and installed it. I also 3D printed one in orange so that way you guys can see it. And then after I 3D printed it real quick, I did do a quick little wet sanding just to give it a nice surface texture, and I think it turned out really well. And it looks very OEM. Alright, so here's what I 3D printed. From the back, you insert the microphone extension end, and it's got these little tabbies to hold it in place, and it snaps in nice and secure. And then these are the tabs to mate with your actual dash. And I just put it right here down by my steering wheel. Okay, and this is how the install inside here turned out. So the microphone just plugs in right down there. And that mounts with the magnetic mic mount right there. Like I said, this is just a quick update video. Hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for more. We've got more adventures coming up soon and more upgrades coming up real soon too. You're definitely going to want to see those. So subscribe, like, so you can stay up to date. Thanks for hanging out. See you guys next time.
Bye.